Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Before we get into the particulars, hit that notification bell, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys have been liking the videos that I've been putting out. I told you I was going to give you guys very simple, easy, transitional, summertime, fun hairstyles. This style is no different. It is the cutest ponytail you have ever seen, and it's very easy to do. All I've done is parted her hair off from ear to ear. Then I took a section and made a circle and made an X in the circle as you see here. That's all I've done. So I've parted from ear to ear, made a circle so she have hair all around this circle, and put an X in the middle. Now, if you don't want to do the X, you don't have to. You can part it straight down the middle. Now, we're going to take this synthetic hair. This is braiding hair, which is like maybe $3 for the pack of hair, and put it in the middle of her hair. Now, you make your ponytail as thick or as thin as you want it. Now, you're going to take the two sides. Like I said, you could part it down the middle. You don't have to do the X. You take the two sides, gather the two sides together, and put a rubber band on the two sides. Now, she is very tender-headed. I didn't want to make this ponytail too tight. I wanted her to be able to be comfortable. So what I did after that was I took the top of the back portion that was parted from ear to ear, and I put a rubber band around that. If you notice, the rubber band is not very tight at all. Now, what I also want you to notice is her hair is very shiny, even in just detangling and deep conditioning, because I want her hair to match the shine of the synthetic hair. And I hope that makes sense. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all her hair back together. She wanted to part down the middle and, dramatic slayed edges. So we're going to give her that. We parted her hair down the middle, and we're going to add the Perfect Assist styling aid on her hair. This is what's going to give her hair that laid look, very sleek, very polished. The styling aid is great because on natural hairstyles, it can be used as a leave-in, so you don't even have to buy another leave-in. This can be used as a leave-in. It's also a great moisturizer. As you can see, I'm putting it on her hair. Now, this isn't a lot. What you guys have to realize is that this has to penetrate throughout her hair. So I'm putting it on the top. As you notice, I haven't layered it in her hair. Like a lot of people, when they do ponytails, they layer it. I'm not layering her hair. So I'm just putting it on the top. So when you think about it, I'm not using very much styling aid at all, because this styling aid has to penetrate throughout her hair. And I hope that makes sense to you guys. So all I'm doing here is I'm brushing the styling aid through. Now, the styling aid is, 1, going to have her waves popping. 2, is going to lay her hair down. 3, her hair is going to be moisturized. It's not going to look dull. Like when you pack gel on your hair, how your hair looks dull. It's going to have a nice, healthy hair luster. And 4, it's not going to be greasy. Her hair is not going to be greasy. I do not like greasy hair. So as you can see here, I'm just putting her hair in a ponytail. So I've gathered all of her hair together, and I put it in the ponytail. Now, there was one mistake I made. Instead of me putting the styling aid around her edges, I should have waited and started a little farther back. And you'll see why when I get to that part. Now, you see this part, how I had to brush her edges out of the bun. So I think I would have, next time I do this style, I'll wait. But she wanted some edges. She wanted some baby hair, or edges, or, whatever you guys call them. And that's what we gave her. Now, her hair is wet. The styling aid does dry clear. Her hair is wet because I just applied it to her hair. So it will dry clear. In the next clip, you'll see her hair about 30 minutes later. It will be a lot drier than it is here, but it's not completely dry. That's why you'll see some little white streaks, because her hair isn't completely dry. I just kind of wanted to come back on and show you guys, because we get in the hustle and bustle, and I'll be done moved on to something else. So I really want to show you guys. So her hair is not completely dry. But this is the finished look. Baby hairs, edges, whatever y'all call them. Okay. And I'll have pictures. You finished? You done? You done? Did you want to do something else? You finished?
I guess I'll hit it one more time. Okay, I'm done.
You guys, this is what I love about this ponytail. One, I did not use not one bobby pin. And two, it looks like her natural hair. When she deep conditioned with the smooth through detangler, you see how her hair blends with the ponytail hair. The shine matches. It's the same. You can't tell which is the fake hair and which is her hair. And that's what you want in a ponytail, even though it's very long, but it looks real. And I actually know a lady whose hair is that long. And these are some close-up shots so you can see what her hair looks like. As you can see, the ponytail is really long. Those are her edges. This is the next day. So as you can see, her edges don't look crusty and hard and flaky. Just so you guys know how long this ponytail is, my daughter is almost 6 feet tall. She is a dancer. She was teaching this week, so that's why we gave her a dramatic ponytail. She wanted to use her hair as a prop, so that's why we gave her a dramatic ponytail. But I love this look on her. It is her signature look. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, leave me a comment below, hit the notification bell to get all the notifications, because I told y'all I was giving y'all hairstyles that are easy, that are transitional, and I hope you guys are enjoying the hairstyles. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are enjoying the hairstyles. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.